Hey guys, so back to verbs. We've learned a lot with verbs. We've learned conjugation, AR, ER, IR endings, and we learned stem changing verbs, and we learned the yo, go, yo, sko, yo, oi verbs. At the end of the day, you guys know a lot, alright? But here's some stuff you don't know yet. And it's really just three really important ones that you need to know, and I'm just gonna explain it to you because I can't bear you not knowing any longer. So we have ser, estar, and ir. Alright? Yeah? These are all yo oi verbs. Yo oi. So what does that mean? That means the yo form is gonna end in oi. Let's take a look at ser. So for ser, let's find the stem first of all. Ser, the stem is the word without the ending. Right there. Alright, ser. So we can go ahead and write that, and we can do what we know. Alright, yo oi, so that's gonna be yo soy. Yo soy. Now, stop right there. Ser is not normal. Ser is a completely different type of conjugation. I don't know why. Well, I know why. Ser is different because if you try and conjugate it like normal, it's gonna look a lot like some other words, and then when you're reading or when you're talking, it's gonna be confusing. So ser has its own stuff. Ser is not like anybody else. Ser has its own conjugations, and I don't know any rules for it, so you're gonna have to memorize this. But here, let me show you. Tú eres. Él es. Nosotros somos. Ellos son. Now don't ask me why these are the conjugations. I already told you why it has to be different, but just memorize it, okay? For this one, I don't ask you to memorize a lot, but memorize ser. Ser is a very important verb. If you don't memorize it now, you're gonna have to at some point. You might as well do it before your test, right? So, ser. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, nosotros somos, ellos son. Okay, let's look at estar. 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 Estar is also a yo oi verb, okay? But there's something else that's very different, not very different, something else that's a little different about estar, and I want to see if you guys get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the map. Alright, you should be able to figure this out. Estar, the stem right here, est, 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 est. Alright, estar. Okay, so yo, it's a yo oi verb. Yo estoy. Yo estoy. Now here is, let's see if you get it. Tú estás. Él está. Nosotros estamos. Ellos están. You figure it out? What's that? All right, that's the tilde, okay? The tilde makes a difference in how you pronounce it. Without the tilde, this would be estas. That's a whole other word. So you need a tilde here to make it different. And for tú, the tilde goes on the a, s, to estás. Same thing for here. Está, él está. Nosotros estamos, no tilde there. Ellos están. Alright? But yo estoy. Am I confusing you? Don't be confused. First you do yo oi, then you do everything like normal. But these three just happen to have a tilde. Don't worry about it if you can't remember that because you don't know tildes yet. The tilde is this little mark here. But yeah, so AR endings, normal AR endings, except for yo, oi. Really, there's nothing complicated about estar. Now, let's look at ir. Ir, this is a fun one. This one, ir is a very important word. You can use it to say a lot of things. including if you don't want to learn future tense and you just want to use ir all the time, you can do that. Maybe I'll show you that another day. But ir, this is a good verb to know. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, what's this? I have up here a V, a little V right here. I don't know if you noticed that. If you did, maybe you're wondering what's that for? Well, V is going to be the stem. Crazy, right? But what happens if you take away the ending? IR. You have nothing. So you put a V there. So V is going to be our stem. So let's go ahead and write a V for each of these. V is the stem of the verb ir. And now it's easy, except you don't know what kind of ending it's going to have. Well, you would think IR, right? No, it's not IR. Ir actually has an AR ending. Okay? It's trying to trick you. Don't let it trick you. Ir, AR ending. Alright? The stem is V. Okay, so yo hoy, so you know it's yo voy. Two AR endings. Tú vas. Él va. Nosotros vamos. Ellos van. Alright? So ir is not tricky. Let's start with ser again. Okay, ser. First of all of these are yo hoy verbs. So ser, yo soy. Then you need to memorize the rest. Tú eres, él es, nosotros somos, ellos son. Okay, estar, yo hoy. Okay, yo estoy. Everything else, normal AR endings, except you need a tilde for everything except nosotros and yo. That changes the way you pronounce it. So, yo estoy, tú estás, él está, nosotros estamos, ellos están. Alright, last one. Ir. So what we did here was we took the stem V and we gave it AR endings, except for yo hoy, yo voy. Everything else AR endings with the stem V. Simple. Tú vas, él va, nosotros vamos, ellos van. And that is how you conjugate these three tricky words that you are going to use every day for the rest of your life as long as you speak Spanish. You're welcome. Good luck, guys, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below. What else? I don't know. Bye.